So I'm going straight for this box, which this is definitely my palette here. We've got some blue greens and blues, and I just love this box. This is by Choosing Keeping. It's from one of their pigment collections. And which one should we mix? Let's try this one first. So we're gonna do 1 part pigment to 1 part mixture. We've got to crush this up a little bit more. I'm gonna use a mortar and pestle. Isn't this just so beautiful? I'm so excited about it. So I've got, this is a glass palette on top of a piece of shelf liner to keep it from sliding around. And we're gonna mix it. Okay, and then we're going to use the muller. And this is it has a etched glass base, and this will really make sure that all of the pigment is covered in binder. And you can sort of hear the pigment in the binder getting crunched. Okay, it feels pretty good to me, although, you know, first time and all. Okay, so let's play around with the pigments now. I mixed up 5. I was originally just going to pick like random colors, but I decided to pick colors that I could make a palette out of. So the colors I use most when I do oils and watercolors, and really any paints, are ultramarine blue, yellow ochre, and burnt sienna, of course, plus white. And so that's why I did these. This is kind of yellow ochre-ish, burnt sienna. This was a little more red than I thought it would be, but some burnt siennas do lean more red, so we'll try this out. And then I just mixed up these two because I thought they were really pretty colors and I wanted to try them out. And I put them in little antique escargot pots. I'm gonna set the first page aside and make kind of a cover page. And I'm gonna use this this has watercolor paper in it. It's a great little notebook, and I'm gonna use this for testing out watercolors and pigments and paints and all of that sort of thing. And I got this off of Etsy, and I'll link to it in the down bar. So let's try these out. I think I'm going to make a circle to put the color in. So let's try this blue first. This dark blue is number 72.